Hey guys, hopefully you know my name by now. You've seen a lot of our videos, but I'm Nsheppard at Willies Custom Accessories at Akins, Ford in Winder, Georgia. I've still got Jesse filming for me. It's October 1st. Jesse's now in sales. So if you're looking for a vehicle, you want to purchase this truck, I think you need to ask for Jesse Cash at Akins. There he is, my man. So a beautiful truck. You know we're in Bulldog country, Georgia Bulldog country. And you know, race red is my color, but this rapid red, as JT likes to call it. JT, one of our installers, he loves this color. But rapid red is really growing on me because of that platinum tri-coat paint in there is just killer. It looks amazing. It's not a South Carolina Gamecock truck, so don't get it twisted. This is just a bad, beautiful F-150 Covert. All right, there's no affiliation with the Florida State Seminoles or anyone with this color. All right, we're Georgia Bulldogs here, just to let you know. All right, Covert edition, guys. Got a level kit for you. This has got the Akins 2.0 stage 2 suspension leveling kit, which is a phenomenal kit. So let's start right there, Jesse. So let's show them this kit. This is the Akins True Coilover, one of our nicest level kits we offer. It's got the Delta joint drive system, true coilover system with upper control arms in tubular style. One of the nicest riding, you've heard me say it time and time again, this is the nicest riding level truck you can buy, in our opinion. So be sure and check this thing out, come by and drive it. Fuel Rebel again. The last video Jesse and I did, we did Fuel Rebels on the Raptor. Fuel Rebel is back, and it's bad. Anthracite gray with the black beadlock ring, looks killer. 295 60/20, a 34-inch tall tire, near ridge grab for that hybrid tire. It looks great. Perfect stance. We are 0 on our offset, so come show them the offset stance. We are maybe sticking out just a couple inches outside the fender well. Looks killer. Now, the obvious thing that you probably want to know about is these custom headlights. So killer. Morimoto LED headlights, very reliable, 5-year warranty. Austin High-On Lumens did the custom paint work to match rapid red. Just looks incredible. Our Akins paint shop did the grill for us and the emblem. So we did, this was magnetic gray. We kept the top and bottom bar magnetic gray to match the wheel and did magnetic gray and rapid red on the emblems front and rear. So we kind of got tired of doing black so much, so wanted to do the gray and the red thing to really tie the wheel package together for you. So let me know if you like that, guys. Come on around. We got bad sun right now, so can't really get on the other side. On the inside, pretty mild upgrades. The WeatherTech floor mats front and rear, but you've got the nice sport cloth seats. Thank you, Jesse. Center console because it's a sport package. So some cool stuff there. I'm going to teach Jesse more about product knowledge with these trucks too. We've got the 2021s coming. Just phenomenal trucks. Lots of great equipment and value for you. Wheel well liners in the rear. Also in the Akins system, you get the 2-inch aluminum nitrogen filled high pressure shocks, specifically tuned for an F-150, so you know it's legit as far as the ride quality and setup. We got an Akins liner guaranteed for life. And then a nice custom badge on the back too. Just a very clean tailgate. Getting the blue gone, just looks cool. Show them a good side shot of the stance from the back. Not overdone in our opinion. This 0 offset with a 34, we like it better than a positive offset with a 35, just because it gets a little bit wider tire and gets you sticking out a little bit to where your stance is a little more substantial and a little more strong appearance. So just a clean truck for you guys. It's about to go in the showroom today. It is available as of October 1st. Please check us out. We got so many cool things going. The Akins Mountain is finished. We're about to put some vehicles on that as well. And on Monday, the 5th of October, if you're seeing this video before then, we're having a ride and drive with the 2021 F-150s coming to you too, guys. So we're continuing to push the envelope, doing great things with these trucks and the 2021 trucks. I've already got things on my mind, guys. I know what we're doing for them. You're gonna love to see that too. So stay tuned for everything auto right here at your source in Winder, Georgia. Thanks for watching.